Hello dears and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Firdaus Sahil. In this video with Affinity, I'm going to show you something useful, which is insert a special character. Also, you can add this in the text menu with insert. We have fields, symbols, math, quotation marks, dashes and hyphens, spaces and tabs, and breaks. Let's use this frame text. Also, you can use the artistic text tool and right click to insert a special character. So under a special character, here symbols, math, quotation marks, dashes and hyphens, spaces and tabs, and breaks available. Let's try to add symbols. So I'm going to add copyright. Select the copyright and we're going to increase the size. Right click in symbols. Let's go with trademark. Right click, register trademark. So there is more available like in math. Let's add not equal. Degree. Divide. With quotation marks, let's add double base quote. Or single right quote. So this is how we can insert a special character with the artistic text tool and with the frame text tool. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to the channel. Take care and goodbye.